Morning, everyone. Today I have the honor to present my favorite topic in biology, who is the brain. Like everyone in this room, I am pretty sure we might agree with this. The human brain is the most complicated and important thing we have ever changed and learned. Therefore, having some idea about it can be useful. I will start by giving a quote come from Tyson DeGrasse Neal. It's not Tyson like the boxer or the guy who fight people, but another Tyson who might be like a scientific or a psychologist. Tyson said, everything we do, every thought we have ever had is produced by human brain. But exactly how it operates remains one of the biggest unsolved mystery, and it seems the more we probe its secret, the more surprised we might find. Um, After this presentation, I would like everyone in this room to has the basic knowledge about how the human brain look like and how the human brain works for our body and for our outside environment. Before I continue my explanation about the way the brain works, I would like you to join me and watch this little video. We're gonna take us like 2 minutes. Thank you for your attention.
The heart is locked behind a cage. So how do doctors get in without open...
Yes, as you might see on the board here, you can see like how the brain look like. You see the different part of the brain. As we don't have a lot of time, I might not like talk about the different part. But as you see on the color right here, every part of this color indicate the different work or the different assignment the brain has. Even though like the brain look like is only one part or look like a circle, our brain are divided by two pieces. This is the left brain and then this is the right brain. And each part has his personal assignment to fulfill. As like you see on the board here, every part or every color fulfill his personal assignment or his personal job. We can think about the brain as like the government. When you see like the government, we have like the executive power, the legislative power, and the legislative or the judicial committee. It's like the same for the brain. You see like the sensory and then the functioning and the speak and then the monitoring and then the hearing. Like you see the vision, the emotion, and then the memory. Everything is different. Everything has different job to fulfill for the whole body. And you see how the brain look like. I hope everyone now knows how the human brain look like. It doesn't matter like your color or doesn't matter how you look like or doesn't matter where you from. Our brain has the same same looking and has the same, we can say, size. I'm not saying size like a baby or a man, but our brain take the same pattern to develop or to grow up. This is the how human brain look like. And I might end up by giving the way our brain works. The way our brain works, first of all, our brain communicate with the body by the street or by the channel called the neuron. Human being has 100 billion neuron in his body, and each body each neuron are connected with 10,000 neurons. This neuron called channel or street or porter of message is like our messenger. the neuron take outside information and communicate to the body. Let's say like you heard someone talk, and the neuron come from the hair can communicate directly to the brain, and then when the brain have the information, it can stock the information and then give back the response. That's why if you hear someone talk, if your neuron work, you can hear this person talk, and then like your the side or the assignment come from the brain can give you the response you hear someone talking. And after talking about like the neuron, I might end up like talking about like some important knowledge to know about the problem or the vulnerability like the brain might have. We have two problems which human brain can have. The first, we have if like the accident. If someone has accident, you might see him. You can, if you have accident without having problem with your brain, you might survive without problem. But since you have accident with your brain, it's not gonna be the same. Why? Because our brain is like when you have a car. Without the engine, the car cannot move or cannot work. That's why it's very important to know about like the damage has or the damage might have with the brain. We have the accident, and then we have the disease. When the disease, I'm saying like disease is like when you talk about illness, the disease might be like a cancer, something like that. When someone has the cancer with his brain, it's gonna be very difficult. It's gonna be very complicated his life, because why? The brain is the central of our life. Without the brain, we cannot survive or we cannot live. If you lose your leg, if you lose your hand, you can replace. But if you has problem with your brain, it's not gonna be easy for you. And I'm gonna conclude with this. I hope everyone in this room has now little knowledge or has basic knowledge how the human brain look like. To conclude, we can say our brain is the key point of our life. More we explore it, more we discover how many times our life depends on it. I hope all of you might take care of his own brain for the success of his life. Thank you so much.